Welcome to Kelvin's Kitchen. On today's episode, we're making fried calamaris. Stay tuned, coming right up. Welcome to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Let's go over the ingredients. To make fried calamaris, you're going to need 1 pound of calamaris. These are already clean and defrosted. I am going to cut them into rings about 1/2 inch thick. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of red crushed pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of buttermilk, and of course, oil to fry them in. So I went ahead and cut my calamaris into rings about 1/2 inch thick. Now we're going to pour our buttermilk over the calamari. We're going to soak them in for a couple of minutes. While the calamaris are soaking in the buttermilk, let's go ahead and put in our flour in a larger bowl. Put our flour together with the rest of the ingredients. You can just dump in all together. And add a little bit of pepper, about 1 teaspoon as well. Now let's mix the flour with all the ingredients. Here I have my frying pan over medium-high heat. Now we're going to use this to fry the calamaris. And make sure that the oil is pretty hot before you put the calamaris in. By the way, you don't have to cut the tentacles. You can just leave them whole. The calamari has been soaking in the buttermilk for about 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and put it into our flour and seasoning mix. You want to try to drain some of the juice out. Now that the calamaris are in the flour mixture, let's make sure that every single ring is coated with the flour. They tend to stick together. Just make sure you separate them and they're getting nicely coated evenly. Let's see, the oil is hot. It looks like it's getting hot. We can then go ahead and start putting our calamaris in. You're going to fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes or until golden brown. I am putting each one individually at a time, just so they don't stick together and then it becomes a big clump of calamari. We want calamari rings, not a calamari clump or a calamari cluster. Here on my plate I have a paper towel just to soak some of that oil once I place them on the plate. They're looking good and they smell divine. Okay, so these guys got a nice color to them. Let's go ahead and get them out of the frying pan so we can fry the rest. My first batch is done. Let's go ahead and fry the second batch. And here you have it, guys. Fried calamaris. This is the best calamari recipe you'll ever have. Enjoy. I'm pretty sure you guys want to know what this calamari tastes like, right? Let's give it a try. If you guys enjoy this recipe, please consider subscribing. Check out other recipes. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.